In a pre-dawn attack today, Borobekra police station in Jiribam district came under heavy fire as suspected militants launched a coordinated assault involving gunfire and explosives. The attack, which began around 4:30 am, is believed to have been carried out by unidentified militants, possibly from the Mar People's Convention Democracy, HPCD, or other Kuki armed groups. The assailants reportedly fired multiple rounds and used explosives against the police station, causing panic in the area. Along with the police station attack, 3 Meitei homes were set ablaze by the attackers. The homes of Haisnam Premchand Singh, aged 48 years, and Oinam Tom Babu Singh, aged 65 years, both from Jakura Dhor Part 2, were completely destroyed. Additionally, 2 other homes suffered significant damage from explosive devices. Oinam Bungotombi Singh, aged 30 years, and Haubam Manikumar Singh, alias Budhi Singh, aged 35 years, residents of Jakuradhor Part 2 and Durgapur respectively, saw their homes partly damaged by the blast. The Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, and local police responded immediately, engaging the attackers in a gunfight that lasted until 7 am. No casualties were reported among the security forces or civilians during the exchange of fire. The Manipur Police marked its 133rd Raising Day today with a grand celebration at the parade ground of the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles in Imphal. The event featured a mass past parade, an impressive skill show by the Manipur Police Sports Club, and the distribution of various awards and trophies recognizing outstanding contributions within the force. Minister Thongam Biswajit served as the chief guest, accompanied by Speaker T.H. Satyavrata, Ministers S. Ranjan, Y. Khemchan, Hasim Vasum, T.H. Basanta, H. Dingo, along with other MLAs and high-ranking officials from central and state forces. Key awards presented during the ceremony included the DGP Trophy for the Best Police Station, the DGP Award for the Best Police Officer, and the DGP Trophy for Best Battalion 2024. The Lamphel Police Station from Imphal West District received the top honor for the DGP Trophy for Best Police Station. The second prize was shared by Jiribam Police Station and Churachandpur Women Police Station, while Patsoi Police Station and Bishnupur Police Station secured third place. In the Best Police Officer category, Sub-Inspector L. Sajubala Devi from the Women Police Station in Bishnupur District was awarded first prize, with Sub-Inspector Vashum Meena from the Women Police Station in Ukhrul District taking second place. The DGP Trophy for Best Battalion went to the 1st Battalion of the Manipur Rifles, while the 2nd and 8th Battalion of the Manipur Rifles shared second position. The 8th Battalion of the Indian Reserved Commando Battalion, Khabai Soy, and the 5th Battalion of the Manipur Rifles were recognized with the third prize.
Machak ang policy, muthekada bani haiba pandang banana, apong kadimakta leriba manpower sing sila harakanda, tuan CSO ki, tuan ba community ki leaders sing community sing block harakanda, apong kadimakta destroy to on the pura maxi, right haibate, is creative, sila na wabiri ko si pura mga coverage to bili harakanda, niya kadimakta apong kudkrabni maxi, not fari ke hela, so apong police ki, apong thagal na baba. Encouraging Oiba, Togda Ama, Yam, the Kuna society, societal benefit with our Canada, police Togda Lord, I have said, sound the soup, but we let it go on this insas, communist, but we did part of the Carcass Minister, every person and evidence in Makara, all out, action for the Mosaic, Hakaponam, they are pronounced on Tuli, as you might, but I'm sure that it comes again.
Anyone who can live 100 years will get a double pension. The average life expectancy at birth in India in 2022 was 67.74 years. This is a 5.2-year increase from 2000, when the average life expectancy was 62.1 years. The Ministry of Personnel, PG and Pensions has announced additional pension of additional compensation, compassionate allowance for any retired government servant after completion of 80 years of age or above. The additional pension allowance shall be payable from the first day of the calendar month in which it falls due. Political activist Oinam Roman today distributed monthly pension to the differently abled persons in Singjamai Assembly constituency today. Roman distributed a sum of 1,000 rupees each to a total of 137 pensioners for the month of October. The pension distribution program was held at Singjamai Oinam Thingel.
Ngasi aina 2016 dagi leptana ngasi bawga sigumba different able person singda aina pension hedogi program machi pangtok jabani asigumba singmi kendra da leriba kogi sotharaba kogi different able person singse sibu manipur government na yengbagi odum yengbiri adugi mathakta ayakna ayaki side gi ai angamba asigumba leptana ngasi gi sigumba different able person singda pension sing pijabani sigumba pension sing ngasi leptana aina aigi tungi punchigi hingiba makai aina ngamiba makai asigumba leptana pijagani haina aigi presi sinau sing phonda thamjari ngasi pension je lisimi chama ga tratre 1000 bibirakuna akoigi endorse ana new development organization na masemjare hana semamba akoigi nusiraba aigi maru party maga loina tawmane jubu karumba condition amadagi ma handa ngasi yawba ngamjadre aduna ngasi endorse na sinbiduna tugumba pension jenbagi program ase leptana makhatana dum sathajane gani hana ina president sinawsinga thamjari.
Manipur police arrested 2 key members of proscribed KCP People's War Group from Imphal East District's Purairomba Khongnang Makong yesterday. The arrested cadres have been identified as Mutum Inau Singh, aged 31 years, and Khwairakom Rajan Singh, aged 25 years. From their possession, the police recovered 1 two-wheeler vehicle, 3 mobile phones, 1 sling bag, 1 wallet, 2 identity cards, and 7,600 rupees in cash. Rajya Sabha MP Laishema Sanajauba released a book titled Mesoscopic Structures and Regional Tectonics of the Manipur Valley and Adjoining Areas at a simple function at Sana Konung Palace compound today. The book is written by Principal of Maharaja Bodhachandra College, Professor R.K. Hemanta Singh. The book is about the significance of small-scale structures developed on the rocks of the hills and mountains in Manipur Valley and its surroundings. It highlights the tectonic evolution of Manipur Valley. And Hongkong News today celebrated its first anniversary in presence of highly regarded editors of the print and electronic media based in Imphal. The solemn function held at the Manipur Press Club, Major Kul, saw the attendance of ex-Amju President Wangkemcha Samjai, President of Editors Guild Khogendra Khomdam, and Secretary of Manipur Chamber of Commerce and Industries Haurokcham Anil as Presidium members. ISTV editor Helendro Maibam, SKTV editor Philips Nauroibam, Impact TV editor Y Rupachandra, Elite TV editor Jit Ningomba, Imphal Times editor Rinku Khumukcham, Kuyananpao editor Maibam Dhanabir, Imphal Free Press editor Irengbam Arun, Sanalebag editor Hemant Kumar Ningomba, along with scribes from various print and electronic media also attended the function at Manipur Press Club.